I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the connector type and locating the break so you know which conductors to restore. Once you cut out the damaged section, strip about 10 mm of the outer jacket to expose shield and cores. This prevents shorts and lets you work clean. Then separate and trim the shield from the inner conductors, tin the exposed copper lightly with solder to stop fraying, and make sure your workspace is grounded. Doing this now saves time later and ensures reliable solder joints. Once done preparing wires, you tin both the conductor ends and the connector terminals to speed soldering and improve bonding. A clean, shiny fillet shows a good joint. Match colors. Typically tip for left, ring for right, sleeve for ground. This guarantees proper channel routing. Heat terminal and feed solder. Don't overheat the insulation. Pull the iron away as soon as solder flows. Make small, strong joints, if needed. Reflow briefly to remove cold solder defects and preserve. Once soldering is complete, you insulate each conductor with heat shrink to prevent shorts and restore flexibility. Remember to have shrink slid on before soldering. Then test continuity and channel orientation with a multimeter or play audio to verify left and right are correct and ground is solid. Secure the connectors, strain relief, and apply outer heat shrink for durability. If you hear hum or dropouts, recheck solder joints and continuity. A common fix is reflowing a cold joint or replacing a frayed conductor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.